Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install some more important libraries for your machine learning and data sciences projects. But before starting the installation process of libraries, let me tell you something that if you have not installed the Python and have not set up any environment, please go to my previous videos and check out my playlist about the Python setup and environment management, and follow the instruction which I have told you in my previous videos, and then come to this video and install the other libraries. Before this video I have made a video which is related to some installation of some basic libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. In our today's video we are going to install some more important libraries. So let's start the process. First of all, open the Anaconda prompt. You can launch it by opening your Anaconda navigator, and then you can directly launch it like this. Here you can see that the project 1 environment is open. You can activate your other environments by simply writing a command conda activate base. This will activate the base environment which is present in your Anaconda navigator. On this base environment, we are going to install two important libraries, which is TensorFlow and the Keras. So write pip install TensorFlow and click enter. TensorFlow is a very important library, and this library has a lot of functions with different deep learning models. But the important thing about this library is that it provides an open source for numerical computation and machine learning projects. And this library is widely used for building and developing machine learning models, particularly deep learning models. Okay. So as we are done with the process of TensorFlow, now we will install another important library, which is Keras. So we will write pip space install Keras and click enter. This is also an important library, and it provides an open source neural network API, because this library is capable of running on the top of TensorFlow, and that means that this is a fast library which is designed to enable quick experimentation with deep neural networks. Okay. Another important library is the SciPy. For that we will write pip install SciPy and click enter. SciPy is an important library, and this library is used for scientific purposes. This is like the NumPy library, but the NumPy library deals with the numerical data and calculations, but the SciPy library deals with the scientific data. So this library is used for scientific and technical computing, and it is built on the NumPy and provides large number of higher level functions that operate on NumPy. So we are done with the installation process of these three important libraries.